Whoa, today we're going to show you everything you need to do with your Raptor to keep it nice, clean, and maintained, because a lot of people go off-roading, have a great time, and then just kind of stick it in the garage. But if you want your truck to last a long time like his have, we're going to show you what to do.
Yeah, and we're going to do it like a... What am I? Am I Gen X? I'm a boomer.
You're just old, dog.
I'm boomer.
You're just old.
And what are you, Gen
Are you boomer? You're not boomer. Are you
right
boomer?
On the cusp. I am right on the like on the year.
We'll find out. Okay, we're gonna find out and put here what he is. I'm a millennial.
You're a millennial. So we're gonna show that the baby boomer generation knows how to clean. Not just a spit shine, but a clean. And that you can, if you do it every week, you can maintain it instead of, oh, I gotta clean this filthy thing.
Yeah, and let me just say, my entire childhood, every Saturday, ritualistically, this guy would clean his vehicle for hours.
No, it
felt like hours. Yeah, well, that's because like the extent of my cleaning is drive through the tunnel. Ah, it's good to go.
I feel good. My virtue signaling is done. I washed my truck.
I washed the truck. But we're gonna show you every single thing that he has done for decades and all the products that you use. None of this is sponsored, it's just the things that are best to clean. And then he's gonna clean my car.
I'm gonna show everybody how to clean. I'm gonna show him how to clean.
Yeah, this is really for me.
All right, we're heading to car wash here in Syracuse. I met the owner. He is just a really nice guy, and he had a great idea. He put a little building out in front of his car wash to wash your dogs, so you didn't have that mess at home. So just a good dude.
Step one, get American Express Platinum approved.
It's the purple.
Oh, you're just a purple?
I'm just a purple.
Oh, I'm a platinum. Oh!
So I just start by washing the underside.
Undercarriage?
Yeah, because this area here, you can't get, the tunnel doesn't wash in there. So basically the frame, the shocks, the axles, control arms, all of the stuff that the tunnel can't get. And then just a light wash on the outside.
Okay.
Not a lot of talking while I'm doing this, but basically I like the places that have the wand that bends, because you can get up underneath. None of these areas you can get with the tunnel that drives through.
And just like when I was a kid, he's just like, here, just go over there while I do this. This is just giving the truck a good spray down where the tunnel can't reach. Underneath the tires, in the belly underneath, getting the sides real good. And anyway, after this, we're gonna go through the tunnel. And then after the tunnel, we're gonna go and vacuum the inside. And then it's really about cleaning the inside and what he uses to clean the inside. So, hey! What's up?
This is a really important part of cleaning the car, I think, the truck, is you take the car wash that's on soft and you can keep it up right up underneath that rubber gasket. If we would have gone in the dust, it would have been white.
Yeah, anytime we went out to like Ibex or something where it's really dusty or silty,
yep,
these areas get filthy.
But you can take that and it sprays it up without getting it all over. You can go up in this area.
Is basically on idle mode.
Yep, just on idle.
So no heavy spray.
Which the home pressure washers don't have that.
Yeah. And then you spray the inside, full spray.
Full spray.
Now, to the tunnel.
To the tunnel. This is what really breaks the heart of a lot of people online with a Raptor or a Raptor R. When you say you're taking it through the tunnel, they like,
That's why you gotta go to a brand new car wash, because they are popping up everywhere, and after 1 year, they go to crap. I swear, every time.
People don't like their expensive cars to go through a tunnel because the brushes will micro scratch over time, and it's like, I bought this truck to use it, and I'm not gonna rub it with a diaper every day. I'm gonna keep it clean, but we're getting PPF on this at the end of next month, so.
Yeah, that's right, so then you don't care. Okay, to the tunnels.
Secret tunnels.
Oh, I love the sound of that supercharger. Whoa,
You want to pop that tree track?
yes, please. Thank you. Okay, I've always done tunnel car washes. I know it's probably not the best for the paint. Hey, it's quick and it's easy and it's better than going around with a dirty truck. So I embrace the tunnel. But yeah, with a Raptor, it's always the first time you go through a new tunnel, you don't know if it'll fit. And this one gets pretty tight, and I'll show you here at the end because the tunnels are offset. So everything that it gets close to is on the right side of the truck. So I always have them turn off the top rollers so it doesn't rip off the Starlink. All right, towards the end is where it starts to get a little close on the right side, and I'll show you as soon as we get up here. And there's much further away here. Over there it actually hits. But it's just rubber, so it doesn't matter. Okay, we're gonna go out and vacuum. Hey, there's Ashton. Finally getting his truck clean. I'm gonna give this thing a nice vacuum here.
Now,
I just got a bag of crap.
you got a bag of crap. we did the underbelly spray, we went through the tunnel, did a quick vacuum, but here's the most important part. That's the interior.
Well, it's the interior and it's a wipe down of the exterior and a little quick wax that I use. So this is not dish soap, it is leather conditioner. And so I
Put it in your wife's cute little...
I just put it in a squirt bottle because it's easier than a little tub that it comes in. So, and I like, for glass, I like the spray away. It smells good too, it makes the whole truck smell good. And of course the floor mats and a lot of the plastic stuff, I'll use classic Armor All. And then I like this tire shine. It's just a commercial grade tire shine.
What's
and
it
it's
called?
not the gloss. And I can't remember the name of it. We bought it by bulk at the shop. I don't even know if it has a name. It's just tire shine.
Tire shine, but not gloss.
It's not the high gloss. So when I'm done with it, it's kind of a matte, but it's a black, nice and dark. But it still attracts the dirt, which a lot of people don't like it for. So, and then for my BF Goodrich, you gotta have the bleach white for your white letters. Not running the white letters now, but when you do it, the white letters have to be nice and sparkling clean. And then this is the final exterior. I'll just spray this on and wipe it off. It's kind of a quick detail, like a light wax.
Speed shine.
And it's awesome. And it works really well on this plastic stuff.
Yeah, that seems to like stain with dirt.
It stains white, it just gets light in color. This rejuvenates it black to the dark.
Okay, we'll go through each one.
Okay, so I'm gonna get in here if you want to get in the other side. I just put a little on the rag and just kind of get it worked into the rag. And I just start with this little plastic thing above the steering wheel and then the steering column. This is kind of an important thing. A lot of people will show that their steering wheel is completely worn out. And when you get all, years and years of dirt, or even weeks and weeks, months and months of dirt, it gets grippy, and every time you turn, it's actually grinding the dirt into the leather and rubbing the leather off. If you put this stuff on, it actually makes it slick. And the same with your leather seats. If you put conditioner on it once a week, when you get in and out, you're sliding on it instead of grinding it into dust.
That's me.
Yep. Now I'm going to show you how he gets out.
Yeah, it's the best. It's the quick slide out.
Slide out of that. Oh.
Which is a little harder in the R because the seats cup a lot more.
Yeah, they have better bolstering. Since this is kind of a leather protector, it has the same properties of
you wipe the screen with it.
You don't have to. I mean, it doesn't hurt and it doesn't leave a residue, which is awesome.
That is nice.
And then you can rub the black and it makes it nice and dark and clean again. These new the seats in the 24 are mostly Alcantara in this two-tone, I don't know what it is, it's perforated. But anyway, there's very little leather except for this wear edge where Ashton slides out and ruins the seat. So I put this this leather protector on here, and it makes that edge nice and slick, so when you slide out, it doesn't rip and tear the leather. Plus, I lift off my butt just a little bit more than he does.
I slide out.
I've always liked the carpet floor mats. This truck is the first truck that I've kept the factory floor mats, the rubber ones, and they always look awful. And we'll refer to Ashton's to show you how awful they look. But I just like this cheap Armor All. You just put a liberal amount on there, wipe it off. It kind of cleans, and it leaves it black and attracts all the dirt to it when you get dirt in it next. And if you're doing it every week,
Which I'm not.
I've had a lot of people hop in my truck at any given time when I'm not off-roading and say, holy cow, did you just have this detail? And it's like, no, I just spend
A detailing amount of time every
no,
week.
it's 45 minutes to an hour just going over all the surfaces with your actual hand, and it looks good. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is plastic on the doors.
With the same Armor All.
Yeah, a little Armor All or that leather protector has a lot of the similar ingredients. I am not a major product snob. I've used so many different products that it really doesn't matter. If you do it with any product once a week, it's gonna protect it and it's gonna keep it clean.
As long as you do it with love.
As long as you do it with love. And when I'm usually doing it, I'm at the car wash and I've got a talk radio going and I'm just kind of in my zone.
Yeah.
Another thing I like to do with the same Armor All or leather protector, one of the two, is I go around all of this rubber, because we got the rubber around the window here, and we got all of these rubber gaskets that keep the dirt and the dust out. And you keep those clean, and you just wipe this whole area down between the rubber gasket and the door, and it just always looks new. This is the first Dart truck I've ever had. I'd never get another Dart truck.
You can see everything.
It shows so much more. In my Avalanche Gray Raptor, you'd never see all that dust there. It could be covered and you'd hardly see it. It is what it is, and it's a nice looking color when it's clean, but oh, there's this rubber gasket at the bottom of the door too. And then I go around the rubber gasket that seals off the door. Most cars only have one of these, and it's on the car. Ford has rubber on each side, plus a third
I've
rubber
never really noticed that.
at the top, and a third one at the bottom too. And it still gets packed full of dust. Okay, tire shine. Broad spray, just a light mist all the way around, get it up between those lugs. I always get just a little bit on the wheel, and I'll show you why. I'll start right here and get that crack between the lock ring and the bead. Wiping around the inside of each spoke. Basically just doing the wheel.
Small fingers.
It just takes small fingers and patience. But once again, when I'm
Neither
on
of which we
my,
have.
we don't possess. But it is cathartic for me to go wash my car with the radio on and to not even think about what I'm doing. Okay, once the wheel's wiped, and you just wipe the excess off the sidewall, and that just makes it look brand new. It doesn't have that gloss finish, which nobody likes that glossy finish. There was an old show called Coming to America, Soul Glow. It was a hairspray that they'd use, and it would just leave glossy stuff all over the place.
All
It's
over.
funny.
That's funny.
This, how do you pronounce that? Groits?
Great.
Groit?
Groits.
Groits garage.
Gryots.
Okay.
Gringotts Garage. Very well.
I think it was a friend of mine, Kenny, on Instagram. His Instagram is Freedom Chariot. He's the one that kind of got me onto this, which it's really awesome. So I just shoot a little bit, start on that black plastic cap at the top, and then just hit it lightly and just start wiping it down. Look how nice and black it makes that plastic.
That's nice.
Wiping it on the paint, it kind of leaves a little film, kind of like wax. I just go right over the tail light. This was a major faux pas, I think, in the design.
What? Oh yeah.
You can't.
When I saw that, I was like, what the crap? You'll never clean behind that. If that gets a chunk of dirt, it's there forever.
Yeah, it's there forever. You can't get in there. You
Yeah.
have to get a knife and stick your rag in there. Anyway,
Yeah.
kind of bad design.
Bad design.
Okay, so after you've, don't notice all the scratches. This truck has more pinstripes than Al Capone's suit. Now you get a fresh rag and you just kind of
Dry it
up.
down.
And it's kind of like wiping the top layer of wax off, and that's it. For the windows, my favorite, spray away. This stuff smells good. Oh yeah, you could just smell it all day. It actually works.
Does it smell like?
Don't you love it? And that's it.
Today's episode was a simple one, and that's because my sister was expecting her second baby boy, and so we wanted to end it and show you this future member of Sterling's Wild West.
Yeah, my first little namesake. Sterling's Wild West.